Are you tired of creating boring presentations in PowerPoint? Well, you're in the right place. So, what are we creating today? We'll be using the morph transition to create a seamless and engaging experience for audience. First of all, go to the insert. Then select a shape. Resize this shape. Then duplicate it 3 times with Ctrl+D. Now group them with Ctrl+G, and place it here on the right side. Ungroup this by clicking on Shape Format. Now change its color and its outline with no fill. Go to Insert. Click on Icons. Now I am selecting 4 icons that I'll be using in this presentation. You can choose any. Resize icons with 0.66 length and width. Place each icon to shape, one by one. Then select all icons together by holding Ctrl and change their color. Here I am choosing white color for icons. Now group each shape and icon together by pressing Ctrl+G. Duplicate the slide 5 times using Ctrl+D. On the second slide, resize the first icon to make it slightly larger than the others. Adjust its position. Then, ungroup the shape and icon. Go to Shape Format, and click on Ungroup. And fill the shape with blue. After that, on the third slide, repeat the same steps. Resize the second icon to make it slightly larger than the others. Adjust its position. Then, ungroup the shape and icon by clicking on Shape Format. Then select Ungroup. And fill the shape with red. Likewise, repeat the same steps for third and fourth slide. And remember, the key to creating an engaging presentation is to keep it simple, concise, and visually appealing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming videos, where I'll be sharing more exciting content and tutorials. Subscribe now and stay tuned for my next video. Next, add a heading and paragraph to the slide. Here, I have made all the slides. Now let's add text on each slide, one by one. While doing this, now that we have our basic presentation set up, let's customize it to make it more engaging. We'll add animations and transitions to make our presentation stand out. Select all slides by pressing Ctrl+A. Then go to Transitions, and apply Morph Transitions. Select all the text by holding Ctrl. Then go to Animation and apply Fly in Animation. And from Effect option choose, from left, apply same animation for other slides too. We're almost done. Let's take a final look at our presentation and make any necessary adjustments. And that's it. We've created an engaging presentation in PowerPoint using the morph transition. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. For more creative PowerPoint slides, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment how much do you like this idea. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. If you are a new viewer in my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel.